Imagine a world where artificial intelligence serves human needs and amplifies our capabilities. Intriguing, right? This is the world Ben Shneiderman invites us to explore in his book, Human-Centered AI. Shneiderman presents a captivating dance between the rapid advancements in AI and the pressing need to prioritize human perspectives. He urges us to consider a shift, a pivot if you will, from the raw power of algorithms towards systems that genuinely empower and uplift human aspirations. He underlines the importance of creating AI systems that are reliable, safe, and trustworthy. This book is an invitation, a call to action, to design AI that genuinely serves us, that remains under our oversight, and that enhances our capabilities rather than attempting to replace us. Now, you might ask, what are 3 key concepts from human-centered AI and how can you use them today? First, we delve into the concept of empiricism in AI system design. This idea explores the delicate equilibrium between data-driven logic, also known as rationalism, and real-world observations, known as empiricism. Increasingly, AI designs are being grounded in user observations, ensuring that AI tools genuinely serve human needs and stay under our watchful eyes. To bring this concept to life, there are a few steps you can take. Start with user observation. Make a habit of watching users interact with AI tools in real-world scenarios, and refine your designs based on what you see. Next, embrace feedback-based revisions. Continually update your AI system using direct user feedback to enhance its alignment with user needs. And finally, always distinguish humans from AI. Ensure that AI tools amplify human capabilities without trying to fully replicate human thoughts and emotions. Remember, AI is here to assist us, not to replicate human emotions and thoughts. Next, we explore the ethos of human empowerment over algorithmic dominance. It's the heartbeat of human-centered AI, urging us to prioritize human values over mere technological prowess. But how can we put this core ethos into practice? Firstly, we must prioritize human aspirations. This means aligning AI objectives with broader societal values. We're talking about justice, rights, equality, the things that matter most to us. Secondly, we should empower, not replace. Design AI to assist and elevate human tasks rather than replace human roles. After all, AI is our creation, our tool, and it should serve us, not the other way around. Lastly, we should use AI for justice. We should design AI that aids in fostering societal fairness, avoiding reinforcing existing biases. In this way, we can ensure that AI doesn't perpetuate the injustices of the past but actively works to create a more equitable future. AI should be a tool for justice, not a means to reinforce existing biases or create new ones. Finally, we underscore the need for reliability, safety, and trustworthiness in AI systems. As we navigate the digital landscape, we must ensure our AI companions are not only technologically autonomous, but also trustworthy. This trustworthiness is achieved through a blend of reliable operation, safeguarding human interests, and seamless collaboration with human autonomy. So how do we put this concept into practice? Firstly, we must prioritize transparent design. This means AI decision-making processes must be clear, fostering user trust and understanding. Secondly, we implement rigorous safety protocols. Especially in high-stakes fields, these checks ensure the AI is not only functioning correctly, but also protecting human interests. Lastly, we seek independent assessments. These unbiased evaluations from third parties verify the AI's reliability and trustworthiness. It's a check and balance system, ensuring the AI's power is used responsibly and ethically. Trustworthy AI means transparent design, rigorous safety checks, and unbiased evaluations. Now you have the keys to a more human-centered approach to AI, and what a journey it's been. We dove into the depths of empiricism in AI system design, understanding the delicate balance between data-driven logic and real-world observations. We discovered how to ground AI designs in user observations, refining the system based on feedback and distinguishing between human capabilities and AI's role. We explored the concept of human empowerment over algorithmic dominance, highlighting the importance of aligning AI objectives with societal values and designing AI to assist, not replace human roles. Finally, we journeyed through the land of reliability, safety, and trustworthiness of AI systems, learning how to foster user trust through transparent design, implement rigorous safety checks, and seek unbiased evaluations. These concepts are not just theories, they are the guiding principles that will shape the future of AI, ensuring it serves us, the humans, in the best possible way. Ever wish the wisdom of your favorite books could seamlessly translate into your daily life? Jump on board the Idea Express. Each review comes with 3 tailor-made actionable steps drawn right from the book's core insights. Steps you can instantly infuse into your personal and professional realms. Subscribe to Idea Express today and learn something new tomorrow.